What's up, my people? How you doing? My name is Dalton, and this is my channel. And we're gonna do a quick unboxing, okay? So here, let me pull this down. Got my fat going on here. All right, and basically, this is a Lavalier wireless microphone, and this microphone is made for iPhones, okay? And this is the coolest thing I found. And I bought this thing on sale at a decent price from Amazon, okay? And I love it. Now, I haven't opened it up yet. I want to open it up with you all, okay? So, see if you can see it. There you go. See the back? There you go. That clear it for you? And this is this is the microphone, okay? And the cool thing about it is wireless, but I'll give you specs on it. All right. So basically, it's a wireless microphone. It could work on an iPhone, iPad, plug and play mic. Okay. Of course, you're gonna use it. You can use it for YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, or AKA Meta. Okay, and the cool part about it, live streams. So you don't have that wire, because I know you all seen the one I had and the clip broke off of it. Drove me crazy. Okay, now before I tell you some more about it, let's bust it open and see what it's all about, shall we? Told you I was gonna try to make this one a fast one for you. I have to open this thing up. Yeah. Okay. Throw the plastic over here. Boom. There it is. The way I like the way they box this a little bit too tight, but I do like the way they boxed it. They box it in a way that Apple boxes their stuff. Make it an experience when you open it up. Ooh, yes. There it is. Look at that. Okay. And here we have this. Now this plugs into the phone. Okay. All right. Take this. Ooh. And look at that velvet feel. That's what I'm saying. They do it in a way that honors Apple, and I like that. Here it is. That's the microphone. No noise reduction. Here's there. It's got a clip on it. I don't know if you can see that. Hopefully you can see that. It's got a good clip on it. And let's see what else it comes with. I really like the packaging on this. All right. It comes with instructions. This little box right here. I know what this is. And I'm glad it came with it. This, my friends, look at velvet. You see that? That velvet case? You unwrap it. It's the charger. It's the charger cord. That's right. So you can charge it from any USB bank. And they got this. This is the extra one. Noise reduction for the over the top, like if you're out and about outside. Isn't that cool? Got your own little packet right here. Everything can fit in this little packet. Okay. That's right. And, of course, as I told you, I just love the way they packaged this. It comes with the instructions. So, let me elaborate a little bit more. I'll hold this up for you so you can get a good look at that clip part. There you go. All right. Now, Here's the cool part about it. I already told you about the noise reduction clip, microphone on it, little fussy thing. All right. No app or Bluetooth is needed for this. Okay. Also, you're going to love this part. You can use it while you're charging it. Yes, you can. You can use it while it's charging. So no time is lost, especially if you're hitting that deadline trying to get something out. Got a live stream, you're trying to tell people about something. You can use it while you're charging it. That's cool. Okay. Now, the distance. Okay, it has an extra long wireless connection distance, and it goes up to 82 feet. 82 feet. Yeah, baby. That's pretty cool. Now, here's something to take note though. Some of the reviews did state, the only negative thing I saw is some of the reviews did state that it did not work well with iPhone 12 Max. I repeat, some of the reviews did state it did not work with iPhone 12 Max. All right, but all the other iPhones, great reviews on it. And that is the unboxing I wanted to show y'all. Take another look. Yeah. I thought it was time for me, and I got it on sale for only $5. Okay, $5. You know how Amazon has these discounts. Something could be $25, and all of a sudden they'll slash it down to $15 or $10. You know, and then that may only last for about 3 days, and then boom, it goes back to the regular price. I caught it right when it had this major discount. So I was like, Lord knows I need a new one, okay? Because I'm tired of using tape to tape up my old one. And I do plan on using my iPhone to make more of my content too. You know, mainly that's what it's for. It's not really used for a phone. Okay? So thank you for being with me, y'all. That is my unboxing, okay, of the Lavalier wireless iPhone, iPad mic. And I'm really excited about it. I can't wait to start using it. And I ask you to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and share it. You never know, somebody else may need one out there. And you can get it at $5. It's worth it. It's even worth it as a backup. Okay, and I got it from Amazon. All right, and I'll wrap to y'all later. Peace.